This video I will tell you that how to delete Snapchat messages. So first of all, you need to open up Snapchat and then you need to tap on the messages option here. And if we open up this chat here, now if you want to actually delete this chat here and this one, if you want to actually delete this chat here, you need to tap and hold this one, tap on chat settings here, and if you tap on this first option which is says clear from chat feeds, then this chat will be removed from this list. Okay, and if you tap on this option delete chats, so it will actually like ask that when should chats to be de- deleted, so you can actually set after viewing or 24 hour after viewing. And the last option is this, that you need to tap on your profile at the top left, tap on the gears icon at the top right, and if you scroll down here you will see this option which here it says clear conversation. So if you tap on this one, now if I wanted to actually clear the conversation of this one, I will just tap on this cross option next to it and this chat will be cleared. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.